Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined today by engineer Bandar Sanad Al Anazi. Bandar, welcome to the studio.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure for me to be invited in Rockwell Studio.
So, Bandar, you are the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer of Rqeem for Smart Solutions. Could you please tell us a little bit about the mission and background of your organization?
Rqeem for Smart Solutions is a company owned by Royal Commission for Jubail and Yanbu, established in the mid of 2021 with two main strategic goals. The first one to be the technical arm for Royal Commission for Jubail and Yanbu, and the second one is to be the digital enabler for our industrial investor and small and medium enterprise within the industrial cities for Jubail and Yanbu.
Okay, that's good background to have. So, Bandar, let's start off our discussion by just getting an understanding of how does Rqeem help manufacturers in the kingdom in their digital transformation?
I think thank you for such a question. This is very important for us to show our competitive advantages of establishing Rqeem. We operate in the heart of Royal Commission for Jubail and Yanbu industrial cities. Being next door to our industrial investor will allow us to address their technical needs, digital transformation consultancy, and also to supporting them in their digital transformation journey.
Okay. Bandar, help us understand what are the most common challenges that you see in your mission of helping manufacturing in the kingdom?
Thank you for asking such a good question, really, because we faced a lot of challenges. But in my opinion, I have three most challenges that we are facing, regardless of the type of the industry or the organization, especially in the digital transformations project or initiatives. The first one is the lack of buy-in from the high leadership, higher management to support such initiatives. Second one also is the lack of financial feasibility and the impact of such execution of digital transformation project. The third one, which is also I see is very important, is how we lead the change management in digital transformation project, and also smart manufacturing.
Excellent. Bandar, let me ask you, how do you see the future of smart manufacturing in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia? Share with us your perspective.
The future is promising. In 2022, the Kingdom announced the National Industry Strategy led by the Ministry of Industry and Mineral Resources. The industry focus on many initiatives and deliverables that will be executing during the strategy time frame. They have a plan to increase the number of factories from 10,000 to more than 36,000 in the coming 10 years. They adopted the Smart Industry Readiness Index for all factories, which will measure the digital transformation, digital maturity level for the factories, for the current and also for the future factories. Incentives program have been announced in order to support factories in their digital transformation and smart factory initiatives. I can see that digital transformation and smart factories will not be an option for the factories, as it will be mandated by the regulations and requirements by the Ministry of Industry and Mineral Resources. So the future is promising in terms of all the initiatives that is being designed and also being approved in order to execute such amazing strategy for the national industry for the kingdom.
And it's an amazing vision, and it's really fantastic to understand how you and Rqeem are helping as part of that broader approach. So thank you so much for joining us in the studio today.
Thank you so much also for inviting me, and it's a pleasure to meet you and also to participate in Rockwell Automation Studio.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about industrial automation and digital transformation, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.